Hey guys, welcome back for another week at Exclusive Wraps. Let's take you for a quick tour. We've got a lot to cover. First up, we've got one of these Marta pathology cars. We've done probably 100 of these things for these guys. This one's come in for a little bit of a accident repair. One more sticker to go on the door. Very simple, nice job there. If we do a 180, over here we have full printed wrap for Tyre Power Ipswich. So we did a full printed design covering up the whole burgundy wrap, paint. And we also tinted the windows for the guys on this one. Let's walk this way. To my right behind me here, we have another brand new Huracan Evo rear wheel drives. This one's come straight from Lamborghini Brisbane. It's getting the full XPEL gloss paint protection film kit. We're tinting the windows. We are probably putting a few little pinstripe accents as well and ceramic coating the full car and the wheels as well, so the face and the barrels. This one's getting the whole kit. Let's go for a walk. We'll take you through Unit 8. Oh, actually, first we'll touch on this Aston Vanquish. So this one, we have put a new product that we have been playing with on the roof of this car. So this is a carbon fiber PPF film. One of the most realistic looking carbon fiber wrap type products you're gonna see. Looks absolutely amazing. We'll show you a couple of bits of footage. Let's take a walk into Unit 8. To my left here, we've got this Bentley from Bentley Brisbane. This one we're wrapping up as a tribute car for a vehicle that won, I'm gonna stuff this up again, but we'll just keep going. That won the 12-hour Bathurst a couple of years back. So it's getting a couple of subtle highlights. This will be their demo car, so you'll be able to see this at Bentley Brisbane. You can buy it if you're in the market for a Bentley. But yeah, this one will be up in the city dealership. So behind me here, another Huracan Evo. This one is the all-wheel drive model and is a Spider convertible. So another blue one. This one has what I believe is called the diamond flake or something like that. We'll show you a few close-ups. The metallic in this thing's absolutely insane. This one, similar to the other, is in for a full XPEL gloss paint protection film kit as well. Over here, Tesla Model S. This is a 2020 model. This one's come in for a chrome delete. Do a lot of chrome deletes on Teslas. So if you're in the market for a chrome delete, we've got you covered. We are tinting the tail lights, fog lights, tinted the windows. What else are we doing? I think that's about it on this one. There might be something else, but that's about most of it. Right over here, we have an A45S. So originally white, as you can see in the jams. This one's going satin dark basalt by Avery. Very popular color. We've done a couple of wraps in this lately. You've probably seen on the channel. So this one's getting full external color change in that film there. We are getting some of the badges and other trims painted in gloss black. The rim pinstripes as well are going to go satin black to match the wheels to delete that little bit of a metal finish. And ceramic coating, I think, as well. I think. We'll take you over to Unit 9 real quick and we'll finish up there. Right here we have a partial printed wrap for bare hands. So this one includes some stickers on the doors. I think the rear doors are getting fully wrapped, and we've got some one-way film on the back. Business signage, very simple, very effective. If you got a business, hit us up, we'll sort you out. And on my left, we'll finish off with this big one here. We haven't started this yet. It is for Rolls for Me. If you attend any of the food markets and similar, you'll have seen their previous trailer out. It's a big bright red one with white text on it. We did it for them maybe a year or two ago. This is their new rig. So this one, we're doing a full wrap. Everything that's white is gonna have their branding on it. You'll probably see them out at one of the food events, food markets coming up in the new year. That about wraps it up for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and we'll see you next week.